The Australian Export Meat Inspection System for kangaroo meat incorporates objective data measurements and improved infrastructure to monitor plant performance. If any evidence of non-compliance with the required temperature parameters is detected at the plant, the carcasses are not processed for human consumption. The Australian Government requires all wild game processing plants to use microbiological testing every day before production begins to verify that personal equipment and contact surfaces are sanitary. The food safety aspects of carcasses are checked and verified using microbiological testing. A sample of carcasses is taken on arrival at the plant and again before processing.
Carcasses that come into the export registered premise are subject to a range of tests, including for residues under the National Residues Survey. So any residues that the kangaroo might have been exposed to during its lifetime are tested for on a random basis. And then carcasses are also subject to microbiological tests to look for any food contaminants that might be of concern. So we're looking for total viable plate count, coliforms, E. coli, so a range of bacteria to ensure that the carcasses have been processed hygienically throughout the process.
The microbiological monitoring of kangaroo carcasses provides additional verification of the standards of hygienic dressing and carcass chilling in the field. It ensures that the methods used in the field mean only carcasses suitable for human consumption are sent to wild game plants for processing. The results of bacterial swabs that check plant sanitation and carcass contamination are added to the meat hygiene assessment results to form the Product Hygiene Index, or PHI. This is a formal measure of an export meat plant's hygiene and sanitation performance. The data collected is verified by government on-plant veterinarians and food safety meat assessors who take independent meat hygiene assessment measurements and also monitor samples taken by company personnel. This cross-checking ensures the integrity of the PHI scores as well as the integrity of the company system. The PHI complements plant verification activities and audits that are also undertaken by senior government veterinarians. The PHI enables objective performance monitoring and the ability to compare a plant's performance against the national average. This gives the government greater oversight and control over export plants and allows it to target audit resources to the areas of highest risk. Importing country authorities can be confident that the Australian government constantly measures, monitors and manages plant performance. To make best use of this information, the Australian government has developed a sophisticated IT system that manages the key performance indicators, PHI results, post-mortem verification results and audit results. The Audit Management System, or AMS, is a powerful risk management tool that will enable senior government officials to monitor and analyse the overall performance of all export meat plants. It also gives export plant management faster access to their performance results and the ability to identify problems, target resources and track any corrective or preventative actions. If appropriate, the Department of Agriculture, Fisheries and Forestry can certify that follow-up action has been undertaken. The AMS provides central oversight of Australia's export meat system and is yet another demonstration of Australia's commitment to quality assurance.